Hey guys, what is up? Ran out of time to actually film myself this week, but today we are customizing another set of dodgy secondhand shoes. First things first, let's unlace the shoes. These shoes were actually really filthy, so needed to give them a pretty good scrub. I did also put these ones in the washing machine as well, but you can pretty much just see with like a dab of water and a cotton wool bulb, the amount of dirt that has come off these is pretty impressive. On these pair in particular, you can kind of see they're really scuffed up. Probably a lot more than what I thought were on the photos, but that's okay. To fix the marks, I gave them a quick airbrush with some white paint. In order to turn the bottom of the shoe back to white, you're going to need some cling wrap. Basically lay that flat, then place the shoe and use some Angelus Sol Bright and basically just layer, pretty much, yeah, just lather it all onto the bottom. Wrap it up, and then I left it in the sun for a couple of hours. Actually, it was pretty much most of the day. Bears and I decided to experiment with some colors this time. So I used, I think it was like half a bottle of red and a full bottle of pink. So the shoes came out in this really nice, like dark purpley pink type color, and I didn't know what I was initially going to put on them, especially for a Blackpink pair, because there's a lot of different ways that you could probably do this. So I decided to go abstract and just use a sponge with black, white, and like a light pink to go on top. Flicked a little bit of paint on top. I did use white. I used the same colors, white, light pink and black, and then laced them up. And here's the final product. Enjoy. Thanks guys for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below if there's any other K-pop groups you'd like me to do.